Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Greetings, welcome back to my channel. In our today's video, I'm going to share an utter unboxing of Temu parcel. So here I had already opened the parcel, and here you can see there are some basic household items which I had purchased for kitchen and for daily routine use. So I would like to share with you that this spice jar is of good quality, and it is the basic need of every kitchen. And here I am enjoying and doing fun with this spice jar, and it goes wrong. So anyhow, it's a good quality product, and I'm satisfied. So all these things which I am showing in front of you, these are for $0, and I got them for free from Temu. And here are the silicone socks, which are very useful product, I think, for those who are facing dry skin. So it's very good product. So I had also purchased a jade ruler and gauze, and this is also really good product. And one side was separated, and I had tried my best to put and insert it inside, but it's impossible, I think. So I need to put some glue, and then it will be fixed. So anyhow, it is of good quality. And if you guys also want to purchase and got all these items for free from Temu, so simply just copy the code that is appearing in front of you, INE638136, and just download the Temu application, search this code in the Temu search bar, and you will be a part of Temu Influencer program and start earning from Temu, and you will also be able to get all this stuff for free from Temu. So here is another item. So this is our today's purchase, what I had got for $0 from Temu, and it's so simple and easy to earn while you are staying at home, and you can enjoy all this stuff for free. So go and just join the Temu Influencer program. Thanks for being part of my channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family members.